Hey guys, it's Ben. In this video we will be reviewing the method of completing the square, which is used to solve a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation I'm speaking of is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let's get right into the example by substituting values for a, b, and c. So we substitute a with 3, b with 4, and c with 13. The first step I like to take when solving a quadratic is to divide the entire equation by the a value. The a value is 3, so I divide the entire equation by 3. Now this step is optional if the a value is equal to 1. If the a value is equal to 1, this step is completely optional. Optional if a equals 1. So once you have isolated the x squared, we can then move on to trying to just isolate the x. Next step is to subtract the c value, which is now 13 over 3, because the a value was divided. This allows us to move the c value to the other side of the equation, isolating the x's even more. Next, we take the equation over 3x equals negative 13 over 3, and we take the b value, 4 over 3. We divide that value by 2, then we square that, and we add that number, that value, to both sides of the equation. So 4 over 3 over 2. This is the same as 4 over 3 times 1 over 2, because when a fraction is divided by a number, it is the same as multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of that value. This gives us 4 over 6, which is equal to 2 over 3. So, continuing, x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 2 over 3 squared. The b value divided by 2, which is this, then squared, then added to both sides. This is one of the most important steps because this allows us to then factor the equation. This factors into x plus 2 over 3 squared equals 13 over 3 plus 2 over 3 squared. We then square root both sides. X plus or minus 2 over 3 equals the square root of negative 35 over 9, because 4 over 9 is that value. Then to create common denominators, we must make this into negative 39 over 9, pardon me. Then we must add those sums together, which gives us 35 over 9. Right. So after that, we then move this to the other side. X equals negative 35 over 9 plus or minus 2 over 3.